Chalo, sir. So again, very good afternoon to all of you guys. I hope I'm audible as well as visible. Everybody, just a quick yes or no. If I'm audible as well as visible. Chalo. Students are joining still. Chalo. Am I audible, visible, everyone? Okay. Where is the class? Chalo. So, let us start with the class. We'll start with algebra, sir. Now, before I start, algebra has three types or three parts, you can say, three or four. First is first variable algebra, or first variable, I'm saying single variable algebra. So sorry. I'm saying first class, single variable algebra. Then comes the multivariable one. Now, multivariable meaning two and three variables. You don't get more than that. Then comes the equations part, sir. Linear and quadratic equation. So total we'll have 4 to 6 classes almost on this. Okay. So again, good afternoon. Let's start with single variable today. We'll start with single variable algebra. And again, this is the QR code to join the Telegram group if anybody is interested. Sir, again, you'll find that in notes as well. First things first, single variable algebra starts with x plus 1 by x formatting. If this is given, please understand, first you need to find what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So for that, we generally square it. We square it and then figure out. I'll be writing the formula directly because most likely you already know this. And you should. This is the very basic formula. But remember, sir, if they ask you what is x square plus 1 by, or rather, if instead of plus, it is minus which is given, x minus 1 by x equal to p. Then also you reach to this. Always, be it x plus 1 by x, be it x minus 1 by x, you always reach to x square plus 1 by x square only. But the formula changes a little bit. In that case, sir, x square plus 1 by x square becomes p square, not minus 2 but plus 2. Excuse me. Is it clear, everyone? Is this clear, everyone? This becomes p square plus 2. Very simple stuff. Now the question is, what if we know this and they are asking you to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. From x plus 1 by x, you can only find x cube plus 1 by x cube, which will be, sir, p cube minus thrice of p. Again, all we are doing is a cube plus b cube formula, nothing else. No rocket science involved here. But sir, when x minus 1 by x is given, I cannot find x cube plus 1 by x cube directly. The only thing I can find directly is x cube minus 1. So if it is minus, for cube it will also be minus. That will be p cube, not minus 3p but plus 3p, sir. Clear, everyone? So please keep in mind, if it is minus, I can only find minus. If it is plus, I can only find plus. Now there is a question. Sir, what if they ask you something like this? Question, let's take. X minus 1 by x is equal to, sir, let's say 4. And I am asking find x cube plus 1 by x cube. Now, what will we be doing over here? What can we do actually over here? Please understand, because From here, I can directly get to x cube minus 1 by x cube, not the other. So meaning, sir, if I want to find this, my raw material or the thing that I need is the value of x plus 1 by x. How can I get to this from here? So please understand, I'll use the formula for 4ab. So I'm just writing it here. A plus b whole squared can be written as, or if I need the opposite, meaning a minus b, I can write this as this. So I'll use this one there. I'll use the first one here and I'll write it like this thing square will be this thing square 4 square plus 4, sir. Sorry, plus 4, sir. A plus b whole square is a minus b whole square plus 4. So this will become 16 plus 4, which is 20. So x plus 1 by x. I'm taking x greater than 0. I'm not taking minus. So this will be root 20, sir. Only plus root 20. 4 into 5 meaning this is 2 root 5, sir. This is the value of x plus 1 by x. Now if I know this is very simple to find. This will be p cube minus 3p. So 2 cube is 8. This is 5 root 5. Minus 6 root 5. 8 5s are 40 root 3 minus this, so 34 root 5 will be your correct answer. 34 root 5 will become your correct answers. Very, very, very simple stuff. Just take a look at this. Is this clear, everyone? A quick yes or no. I need a very quick yes or no on whether this is clear to everyone. Is this clear, sir? Is this 100% clear, sir? A quick yes or no, everybody. This is clear? Clear, clear, clear? Chalo, perfect. Now, next, sir. So we now know if x plus 1 by x is given. Let's say this is given as 3. We know x square plus 1 by x square will be 3 square minus 2, which is 7. X cube plus 1 by x cube will be p cube minus 3p, which will be 18 if I'm not wrong. Now my question is, what if I ask you to find this? X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Then how can you calculate? So in that case, please understand, this is, I guess, the most important, so most repeated question is this in different ways. So please understand, so for that I first need to find this, which we have already figured out to be 7. So please understand, you see, if you look at now this, a plus 1 by a is given, a square plus 1 by a square they are asking. This is just the repetition of the same process now. This is just the repetition of the same process. Just do this. So this will be p square minus 2 again, which will be 47, sir. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? How to do to the power 4? Now this question can be given to you in different ways. A very famous way is to give you like this. And they will ask you to find x square plus 1 by x square. Sir, please understand how to do. Sir, if you square it, you will get x plus 1 by x, because I told you whether it's minus or plus, square you will always get plus. That will be 4 square minus 2. 16 minus 2 is 14, sir. And this one then in that case will be again a square at the same process of this. So this will be 14 square minus 2. 194, sir. That's your correct answer. My mistake. Sorry, sir. This will be plus. देखा गड़बड़ कर दिया था मैंने. So sorry, it's minus 2 plus na. This is plus 2. 18. So this will be 18 square minus 2, sir. Done. Right? So plus minus, always remember, it's always the opposite sign. It is always the opposite sign if you have looked into this. If it is plus, then it is minus. If it is minus, then it is plus. If it is plus, then it is minus. If it is minus, then it is plus. So always the rule of opposite sign will take we will take that into play. So this is how they ask you the questions, right? Now, sir, let's move on. Now let me ask you, if x plus 1 by x is 3, sir. Now I'm giving you guys this question to do. Please solve. You have all the tools that is required to answer this question. You have all the tools that is required to answer this question. Everybody, please solve this, sir. Please solve this, sir. Chalo, 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 sir. Jaldi. Answer, answer, answer. Chalo, let me help. Let me help you guys. I got a couple of answers from Panmay and Abhinay. Both are saying 322. Sir, this 2 to the power 6, I can go in two ways. First, you do square, then you do cube, or you do cube, then you do square. Now, both are acceptable, both are okay, no problem. But if you ask me, I always prefer to do this. First cube. Why? Smaller number cubing is easier. Bigger number squaring is easier. That's the only reason I do this. So, first things first, x plus 1 by x is given to you as 3. So, first you figure out this. So, this will be 3 cube minus 3 into 3, which will be 18, sir. Now, I need to the power 6, meaning I need square of this. I need square of this, sir. So, if I do the square formula, so this will be 18 square minus 2, sir. Again, sir, 322 is the correct answer. 322 is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Very, very, very simple stuff. Now, if you wanted to do square then cube, chalo wo bhi kar sakte. So from here I'll figure out x square plus 1 by x square, which will be p square minus 2, 7. Then you do, sir, cube of this. Sorry. This will be, sir, p cube minus 3p. 343 minus 21. That will again be 322, sir. Both way is correct. But again, I'll prefer, because its number is small, 3. Both are correct. But again, in any case, if for bigger numbers, I will always suggest do the cube first, then you do the square. Okay, everyone, clear, sir? Clear? Very simple thing. Very, very simple thing. Chalo, sir. Next one, please. Now the question comes, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, what will be the value for this? Again, all these we are doing, all are PYQs, okay? All have come in the exams, some way or the other. Chalo, everyone, how can we do this? Everybody. To the power 5, how can I do? To the power 5, to the power 7, odd powers. They are a little tricky to solve. Please understand. Not this question, I am showing you something. Sir, remember, 5 meaning 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So I am taking this into 2. 3 into 2, sir. You see, power 3, power 2. So if I do this, what will happen? Sir, first this 2 will get multiplied. 3 and 2 to the power 5, sir. Then, sir, this into this will happen, sir. So plus x remaining. Then this into this will happen, sir. X square and x cube, meaning 1 by x remaining. Then, sir, this into this will happen, sir, which will give you 1 by this. So, I'm getting x5 plus 1 by x5 plus, sir, this. So, ultimately, what I'll be getting is x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 if I want to find. That will be, sir, this to multiplication minus of this, sir, minus of this is how we make our own formula. This is how we make our own formula, sir. Similarly, if they asked us then what will be the value for this, that will be x plus, sorry, x square plus y square, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 into 3 plus 4. That is what I am doing. Minus always this. That is your formula. You make your own formula. Now, let's solve this then very quickly. Let us solve this very quickly then. This will be x square plus 1 by x square. So, x square plus 1 by x square will be what? 7, sir. X cube minus 1 by x cube will be what? Sorry, plus 1 by x cube will be 18, sir. So, this will be 7 times 18 minus x plus 1 by x is 3, sir. Everyone. Clear, sir? Absolutely clear, sir. Absolutely clear this. Right? Chalo, let's do this, sir. 18 sevens, 126 minus 3, 123, sir. Clear, everyone? 100% clear, sir? So 123 is your correct answer. Now, if it is clear, then tell me what will be the value for this. Tell me the answer to this right now. Tell me the answer to this very, very quickly, everyone. Very, very quickly, tell me the answer. Chalo. Answers, sir. I need answers. Any answer? Any answer? Any answer? 843 I got. Chalo, let's see. 843. Sir, x plus 1 by x was given as 3. So, first things first. X square plus 1 by x square will be 7, sir. X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 will be how much? 7 square minus this 2, that is 47, sir. Also, x cube plus 1 by x cube will be how much? 3 cube minus 3p, which is 18, sir. So, if we know all this, so again, to the power 7, that will be, sir, 4 into 3 meaning 47 times 18 minus a plus or x plus 1 by x, which is 3, sir. So 47 twos are 94. Sorry, 940. minus sir 94. This is 6 here, this is 10 here, 4 here, 8 here. 846 minus 3, 843 will be your correct answer. So attendance is a little low, Panme. I don't know what happened. Generally, like the students are more. I don't know something. But again, only couple of students are commenting. That's also true. Attendance is not as low as that. Attendance is much higher than that. But again, comments are not coming. You see, morning session was also again. I guess same day 3-4 sessions. Everybody is just tired and or something like the students have a particular allergy on advanced maths. They don't understand that is this is the key to getting the selection. Without advanced maths, you cannot get it. Acha, to the power 7 is also done. Acha, let's do a couple of questions. I'll give you again few other things. Sir, let me give you a few questions. Again, I'll give you a minute per question, but again, you should be able to solve it within 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds, you should be able to solve each and every question. चलो सर, चलो 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 जल्दी. Time is up. Answer 79 I got. चलो. Sir, again, this is double. So x plus 1 by x will be how much, sir? This thing square minus 2, which is 5. Again, you repeat the process. Sorry, minus ni plus 2. My mistake. Same mistake I did then as well. Plus 9 because it's minus to plus, right? X square plus will be, now it will be minus 2, sir. So 79 is the correct answer. Option number 4. Option number 4, sir. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? Simple. Next one, please, sir. Next one. X is given and they are asking this. So first things first, in order to find that, I need x plus 1 by x. X is 4 plus root 15. 1 by x will be this. Sir, 4 plus 1 by this will be nothing but 4 minus root 15, which is nothing but 8, sir. So x square plus 1 by x square will be p square minus 2. Correct? So 62, 100% option 4 is the correct answer. Yes, exactly, Chupanmay. This happens every year. This happens every year. Chalo, 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 chalo. Next one, please. Next one. Acha, how to do this when there is coefficients involved? This is a little tricky. You need to be able to understand things. Chalo, everyone, give it a try. Everybody, give it a try, sir. Give it a try very quickly. Very, very quickly, give it a try. Do this very quickly. Answer, answer, answer. Very good question, this one. No answer so far. Acha, let me help. Sir, first things first. Look at what they are asking. Look at what exactly they are asking. Sir, what they are asking? They are asking the raw material to find this will be 4b plus 1 by 7b. But we have the opposite here, or plus or minus, because square we get from everything. So I can write minus as well. Because it's minus, that's why I'm writing minus. But again, how to do this? Sir, always try to balance only this. Don't try to balance this together. First thing, here it is 7, here it is 4. So how much should I multiply this with to get to 4, sir? You will say, sir, you multiply this by 4 by 7. 7, 7 cancels, 4 will be there. And if you have done it correctly, the second part will automatically get calculated. You see what will happen? This is, this side also I need to do 4 by 7. So this is 4b. And so here 4 and 4 cancels. I am getting 1 by 7b. Who are automatic? Is it automatic, sir? Absolutely automatic. You see, this value is given to you. Then to get to that, just square it. 4 square. Now here it will be plus 2, sir. So 18 is the correct. Sorry, देखो एक छोटा सा mistake हो गया. Sir, now 4 square plus 2 into, sir. Now there is some like values involved as well, many coefficients. I have to multiply them with 2ab. So 2 into, sir, 7 into 1 by 4, I must do, sir. So if you calculate this, this is 16 plus 7 by 2, sir. 32 plus 7 is 39 by 2 is I'm getting as the answer. Option is not matching. क्या मैंने गलत कर दिया? रुको ना एक सेकंड. What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? Something to have done wrong. Something I have done wrong, sir. अरे यार देखा मैं कितना बड़ा पागल हूँ. I have taken these as the coefficients, whereas I have figured out this. So sorry, sir. So sorry, everybody. So sorry. I have made a mess. This is my AB. I have taken this. I don't know why. 2 into, sir, 7 into 1 by 4. Sorry, 4 into 1 by 7. Dekha? I don't know why I was doing this. 16 plus 8 by 7 is the answer. So just calculate. Right. So this is 112 plus 8 by 7, which is 120 by 7, sir. That's your answer. Option C, sir. Option number C is the answer. Yes, I made a mess of the coefficients. That's the problem. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Chalo, 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 chalo. This is a type which is very common as well. Chalo, do this then. This is much easier. This is much easier. Chalo, do this. Do this, please. Do this, please, everyone. Quickly. Quickly, quickly do this. Chalo, 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 sir. I got one answer so far. Anyone else? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 answers. Very good. Sir, this is given 2a and 3 by a. So do you see this is the raw material for this? So I can directly say 2a plus 3 by a is 1, sir. So I need to get to this, meaning you just square it. So 4a square plus 9 by a square will be, so p square minus 2b, 2p. P is, but again I need to multiply this coefficients here. So this will be 2 into p is 2 and 3, sir. Acha, sorry, this was 11, na? This will be 12, okay, my mistake. So this will be 12 square. So 12 square is 144 minus 4 into 3, 12, sir. So 132, option number 3 is your correct answer. 132, option number 3 is your correct answer. Simple thing, sir. Very simple. Chalo, next one. Sir, sometimes they can ask you the questions like this as well. Always in these situations, I'm giving you a hint. Divide by the middle power of x, which is x here. So this will, if I divide by x, it will become 2x minus 7 plus 5 by x is 0. So 2x plus 5 by x is 7. Now again, look at what it is. Sir, this is, the raw material will be x plus 5 by 2x. But again, this is 5 by x. So how can I match this one? This is 1x, this is 2. Meaning you divide by 2. So if I divide by 2, this will automatically, this 2 will come like in this side. That is equal to 7 divided by 2. Now you square it. X square plus 5 by 2x whole square. That will be this thing square, p square minus 2 into the coefficients 1 into 5 by 2. This cancels. So 49 by 4 minus 5, sir. 29 by 4 if I'm not wrong. Acha. 7 whole 1 by 4. Option 2 is the answer. Option number 2, 7 whole 1 by 4 is your correct answer, sir. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? Everybody, clear, sir? Everybody, clear this? Tell me, everyone. Not a difficult question, just you had to do a couple of steps. That's all. That's all. Chalo, next one. Sir, please do this. Everybody. Please do this. This is a very good question. Please do this, everyone. Jaldi. Chalo, 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 sir. And meanwhile, will you give me a couple of minutes, everyone? I just need to use the washroom for a second. So it's downstairs. I have to just go. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, you, everyone, please try this. Everybody, please try this question. I'll be back in a minute. I'll be back in just a minute. I've just gotten one answer so far. Why? Why so less, everyone? Why so less, everybody? I've just got one answer so far. What happened to others? What happened? I've just gotten one answer so far. That is from Abhinay. Panmay, what happened, brother? Varshita, uh, Vamsi, everyone. You guys got bold. Chalo, let's see, sir. If you are not comfortable by dividing by x, cross multiply, sir. Then I'll divide. So this gives you is equal to 6x. Now you divide by x. So this is 2x minus 2 by x. This will be x. So x meaning, sir, by x meaning 1. Now I need x cube plus 1 by x cube, meaning I need x plus 1 by x, sorry, x minus 1 by x here. So 2 I can take common and send it to this side. So this becomes half. But in order to get the plus, I need what? I need x plus 1 by x. That will be square root of. We have seen this. This thing square plus 4. So which will be 4, 16, 17 by 4, sir. Meaning root 17 divided by 2, sir. So x cube plus 1 by x cube, sir. That value will become p cube minus 3p. So p cube meaning, sir, 17 root 17 by 8 plus minus 3p. So 3 into root 17 by 2, sir. So this will be 8 here. 17 threes are, 17 fours are 68. So this is 565 root 17. By 8, I'm getting as my answer, which is not matching. Stuck somewhere. Ruko ek second. What I've done wrong? I've done something wrong. अरे यार देखा मैं कितना मैं ना today sometimes I'm losing focus. I don't know why. I need to multiply this. I multiplied this. देखा. So 3 fours are 12. 12 and 17, 5 root 17 by 8, sir. I multiplied this for some reason. So option 2 is the answer. Option 2 is most definitely your correct answer. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Simple question. Simple question. Next one, sir. Chalo, do this. This is also a very easy question. Please do, sir. Please do this, sir. Everyone. Chalo, chalo, chalo. I'll give you a minute's time. 1 minute time, sir. Please do quickly. Please do this very, very quickly. Chalo, sir. Very simple question. Very simple question. Just need to manage. You just need to manage the coefficients. So if I divide by x, so I'll divide by 2x. 2x, this will be minus 3, this will be 1 by 2x. That is how I managed it. Why? Because I can see the raw material here will be x plus 1 by 2x. Sorry, 2x plus 1 by 2x. That's why I've done it like this. 2x plus 1 by 2x is equal to 3, sir. Direct, sir, p cube minus 3p. 18 is the answer. Now you might say, sir, why didn't you take the coefficients? You see 2 and 1 by 2, that will cancel itself. So as long as same thing is here and here, you don't need to take coefficients. When this thing changes values, then, sir, you need to do. Answer seems wrong. Which answer? Over here. Here the answer is not wrong. Question number 7 or 6 you are talking about, brother? Tell me. Do this meanwhile. Meanwhile, others, please do this. I'll give you a minute's time. Jaldi banao, sir. Jaldi banao, sir. Next question. 54 seconds to go. Quick. Last 10 seconds, sir. Last 10 seconds. Time up. Time up, sir. Time up. Sir, to the power 6. Meaning, sir, first things first, I need x plus 1 by x, which will be minus 3, sir. This will go this side. Now, to the power 6, meaning I told you, I will prefer to go by this. First, you find cube, which will be minus 27, minus of minus plus 3 into 3, 9, which will be minus 18. Now, if I square it, sir, it will become plus. So, x to the power 6 plus 1 by x to the power 6 will be minus 18 square minus 2, sir, which will again be 322, option number 3, sir. Option number 3, sir. Abhinay, not 327, brother, 322. 322 I'm getting as my answer. And there is a shortcut. You want to see how to find shortcuts? Sir, please understand. I'll look at the options. I'll not do anything. This is the shortcut. Sir, think. Sir, whatever I do, it is to the power 6 plus, meaning something square it must be. Something value, some value, the square of that it must be. After, like when I add, so again, this thing will be something square minus 2. So meaning, if these are my answers, if I add this 2 here, I must get something square. This is 320, not something square. This is 326, not something square. This is 329, not something square. This is 324, it is something square. That's my answer. Be it whatever value it is instead of 3. Something square it must be if you add 2 to, like 2 to it. So you can also think in that fashion. You can also think in that fashion just by checking the like whole square term or perfect squares. Perfect square after adding 2. That's your shortcuts. Perfect, everyone. Clear? Chalo, let's do the next. Next one, let's do. This is given in a different way, but again, the question is not difficult. The question is not at all difficult. I'll give you again a minute's time. Jaldi banao, sir. Everyone, do this very quickly. Very, very quickly do this. Very, very quickly. Do this, please. Answer, answer, answer. Time is up, sir. I got a couple of answers. No answers for this. This was previous answer. How to do this, sir? So first things first, let's multiply. This is 3x minus 2. And if I take this to this side, it will become minus 3 by x. Next line, sir, jumping a step will be 2 by 3. This is nothing. I've sent this 2 to this side and taken a 3 common and divided. Now I need x cube minus 1 by x cube. It will be, sir, this thing cube plus 3 into p. So 8 over 27 plus 2. So 54/62 over 27 is the correct answer. 62 over 27, option number 3. Option number 3 is your correct answer, sir. Again, very simple. Right? Moving on, sir, to the next one. Chalo, do this. Again, this is nothing but 6. Root given, cube asking. Meaning this is nothing but 6, sir. To the power 6. Chalo, let's do it. Let's find it. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Answer, answer, answer. No answer so far. Need answers. Achha, here also 322. Okay, yeah. So if it is 3, sir, we have done the same examples multiple times. Achha, do one thing. Na. If it is 4, what will be that? So 322 here is the answer. 324, if it is 4, sir, then x cube plus 1 by x cube will be 64 p square. Sorry, 64 I'm writing. 16 minus 3, sorry, I'm not losing focus. I don't know why. P cube, I've written it correctly. Minus 3 into 4, sir, which is 52, sir. Which is 52, sir. So, achha, this is not x cube, huh? This is, it was given by 2. So, x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by x to the power 3 by 2. Now, sir, I can find the cube directly. That will be 52 square minus 2. That will be 52 square. Achha, I'll not go directly. I'll not go directly. You see how to find 52 square. So this is 2 more than 50. So square of 2 is 0.04. So if it is 2 more, then add 2 to 25, you will get 27. This is how you find. 2704 minus this. So 2702 will be the correct answer. 2702 will be the correct answer, sir. Clear, everyone? Simple. Not very difficult. Next one. Achha, I guess we are at the end. Ha, sir, we are at the end. Achha, but before I go, I want to discuss just a small little thing. Hardly takes 2 minutes. Sir, what if? Sir, we got x plus 1 by x. If it is 5, sir, so x square plus 1 by x square. It is 5 square minus 2, sir, which is 23. Now, my question is, if I give you x square plus 1 by x square, what will be, it is equal to 23. How can you figure out the value of x plus 1 by x? Meaning if we go in the opposite direction, directly how to find? So please understand, backtrace your steps. Meaning here what you are doing, you are squaring, then subtracting 2. So start doing it from this side and opposite order. So you will first do you, so minus 2 meaning you will do add 2, sir. Squaring, opposite of squaring will be, sir, square root. So this will become, sir, 5, root 25. Can you see this, everyone? Can you see this? Clear everyone? Clear, sir? This is how you backtrack. Now you can make a formula out of this if you want. If x square plus 1 by x square is p, then x plus 1 by x will be how much? You write your own formula. Root over of p plus 2, na sir. First you do 2 add, then you square root. So this is how it is. Now what if it is x minus 1 by x? So in that case, everything will remain the same. There we add p square plus 2. So I'll do p minus 2 square root of that. This is a little backtracking thing which you should always do. Clear everyone this? Absolutely, absolutely clear, sir, everybody. Is this 100% clear, sir? This is something I just wanted to discuss with you guys. And that marks an end for one variable algebra. Again, multivariable algebra we will do in the next classes. This is just the first class, which was free, of course. But from next class onwards, it will not be streamed on YouTube. So you have to join the batch to get access to those. Now, with that being said, thank you so much everyone for joining me. I will again see you guys in the next class, which will be tomorrow. Till then, please take care. And also one quick thing, we'll do the mock analysis as today is Monday. We'll do mock analysis at 5 o'clock the maths. So again, feel free to join the class. It will be hardly an half an hour class. Thank you. Take care and bye-bye everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And if you have loved the class, please do consider rating the class, and definitely for the YouTube audience, please do hit the like if you have loved it. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye everyone.